Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig to share, girl, and this is how it came packaged. So I'm just busting it open, just taking it out of the packaging, and yes, it shipped FedEx as you just saw. So that means I got this one super quick, probably just about 3 to 4 days tops, girl. I'm gonna do better about tracking these things, but I really think it was just about 4 days. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this is it right here. This is how it comes packaged in this nice silky drawstring bag. Super cute. Y'all know presentation is everything with me. I love a nice package, and I love almost anything that comes nicely, neatly packaged, and this one is just everything. Now this is from Tinashe hair, girl. Tinashe, girl, push through. Human hair, high quality, best choice. Now I've seen a lot of reviews here on YouTube and Instagram, like, girl, that hair does look pretty good. So let's just see right now, right here, if this hair is worth the hype, girl. Now I opted for a 22-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig, and this is it right here. Again, this is 22 inches, 250% density. I know that sounds scary, but it didn't look like it's gonna be like a poof ball from the picture. So I said, you know what, we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna go full glam, y'all. Full glam, luxurious hair. So this is it right here. We're opening this thing together. We're gonna see what it's like together. But before we go ahead and get into the wig, I did feel some other things in the bag. So let's see what other goodies were included with our purchase, girl. Alright, so you do get like a promotional flyer. It has all of their social media accounts linked on here, as well as other girls who've reviewed or purchased from them on the flyer, which is really nice. Okay, really cool. Looks like there could be 2. No, I thought there was gonna be like a coupon here, but there isn't a coupon, just promotional material. Okay, what else we got in here? We have wig caps. Okay, now this is always a nice touch. This is the best, to get a free pack of wig caps. Girl, clutch. All right, what else we got? We have a cute little compact with the brand name on it. So cute. Let's go ahead and open it and take a closer look. I love getting gifts that I can actually use. Don't send us a friendship bracelet. We don't want a friendship bracelet. We don't want no hairpins or no hair clips. All them little tired eyelashes. This is what we need. Tinashe got it right. This is so cute. We appreciate our wig caps and a nice mirror that we can keep in our purse, honey, to make sure our lace ain't coming up, girl. Make sure our wig is still glued down and we're still looking fresh and fly through the day. Okay, this is what we need. This is so cute. Look at this little mirror, and the top is like jeweled with the brand name. So cute. Those are the type of gifts we want with our purchase. That was just right on time. This is awesome. But let's go ahead and look at the units. Okay, again, this is a 13x4. Look at all of that lace space. It is pre-plucked. Okay, girl, this is everything I am living right now, and it still has the lace attached, and I'm already like so hyped. And it has a little lace at the back. Should you want to glue it down and do some updos or what have you, you have that option. Really nice. And it does have a comb at the top, 2 temple combs, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. Now for me, I normally like to go ahead and just sew a band in for added security, and it also helps your lace to lay flatter if you sew a band in. So I'm probably going to go ahead and do that as well. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and try it on and see what it's looking like on the head. But girl, this hair is so pretty. Look at it. Look at the ends. Yes. Yes. Push through, Tinashe. Hair. So beautiful. This hair is so soft. Smells amazing. No weird odors. No chemically smells. None of that, girl. She is ready to rock right out the pack. So let's go ahead and get it tried on. See what the lace looks like against the skin. Ooh, the cap, girl, is big head friendly for sure. No struggle putting this on whatsoever. I didn't even, girl, this is on my head all right. I'm definitely gonna have to put a strap in. But let's go ahead and get a closer look at the lace. She's really, really nice. As you see, it is pre-plucked. I am definitely feeling the unit. I'm feeling it. Oh, honey, she is thick. All right. How about go ahead and cut the lace, get it finger combed a little more so we can actually get into it, see what she's talking about. But I am loving it, loving it, girl. This hair is so soft. It is so beautiful, so pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it styled a bit and cut this lace, and I'll be right back, okay? Ooh, girl, this hair, she is beautiful. Okay. Now I see what the hype is about. Girl, push through, Tinashe. Ooh. We are back, and I got her on and installed. I am absolutely loving it. I am really happy with the 22 inches, girl. I thought it was gonna be a little too long, a little too much, but I'm feeling this length. I really do like it. It's nice. Let me let you see the back, girl. Ugh. All right. What you think? Yes. Okay. Now, as you saw, I did put the strap in it so I can have a glueless application. I don't want to deal with glues, tapes, none of that. That's just a little too much for me. I just want to put my wig on and go, okay? So I sewed a little strap in, used my water and gel concoction. I'll show you what type of gel I used, and my spray water bottle to achieve this wet look, and it also keeps the hair kind of tamed, and it prevents it from getting all bushy. And with the gel, now some people do conditioner and water, and gel. You can mix up whatever concoction you're most comfortable with or what you feel is better for your needs, but I just like a little water and gel, and it does the trick for me. I really do love the look. I just fleeked the baby hairs along the front. I left a little of the lace on to help me do that, so I can have the baby hair still on the lace, so I can take my wig off and my baby hairs will still be kind of formed and laid, okay? So I am totally feeling this unit. She is so cute. Again, this is Tinashe's 22-inch deep wave Brazilian hair, girl. I am absolutely in love with it. I'm so happy. I feel like this is going to be the hair for the rest of the winter. It's just so easy to maintain. This curly hair is just like wet it, comb it out, and go. Girl, it's just effortless and it's pretty. I really love it. I can do so much with this hair. So yeah, be sure to check out the links down below, as I will have all the products that I mentioned, showed you, and used, as well as a direct link to this unit in the description box, girl. So no need to ask me a whole bunch of questions in the comments area, because I'm gonna answer them all right down there in the description box. Okay, everything you're gonna want to know is right there, so don't skip over it. Okay, don't skip over that Tinashe hair link, girl. Go over and browse the site. Oh, this hair is so beautiful. Loving it. Alright, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.